In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Amazon account. Maybe you've signed in on a shared computer, or you're simply done shopping for now and want to make sure your account is secure. Logging out of Amazon is quick and easy once you know exactly where to look. And in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're already logged into your Amazon account in a web browser. This can be on your desktop, laptop, or even a browser on a tablet. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, move your attention to the very top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see a section that starts with the word hello, followed by the name on your account. Right next to that, you'll see the words account and lists. This is the area we're going to use to sign out. Instead of clicking it right away, move your mouse over account and lists and hover there for a moment. When you hover over it, a large drop-down menu will appear. This menu shows lots of options related to your account, like your orders, recommendations, and various account settings. Now, look towards the bottom of that drop-down menu. Among all the links, you'll see an option labeled Sign Out. This is the button you need to click in order to log out of your Amazon account. Go ahead and click Sign Out. As soon as you do, Amazon will reload the page. Give it a second to refresh. After the page finishes loading, you should notice that you're no longer seeing your name in the top right corner. Instead, you'll be taken to a page that prompts you to either create a new account or sign in again. This is Amazon's sign in or account creation page, and it confirms that you've successfully logged out. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or window as an extra security step once you've signed out. That helps make sure no one else can go back and access your information. And that's it. You've just learned how to log out of your Amazon account quickly and safely.